Hello guys, today we'll see how to designate lubricants. That is, how to do nomenclature for different lubricants. The lubricating oils are designated usually by Society of Automotive Engineers, that is SAE ratings, and American Petroleum Institute's API ratings. So these two types of designation systems are available. One is SAE and another is API ratings. The SAE ratings indicate viscosity, whereas the API ratings indicate quality and performance of these lubricating oils. First, we are going to see SAE ratings, how it gives nomenclature to the lubricants. It has two grades for engine applications, single grade and multi-grade. First one is single grade oil. These single grade oils can't use any additives. It has 11 viscosity grades, of which first 6 are considered to be winter grade and given W designation 0W, 5W, 10W, 15W, 20W, 25W, then 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. These numbers are known as weight of a motor oil. Based on the coldest temperature at which the oil can flow, it is graded as 0W, 5W, 10W, 15W, 20W or 25W. It means the lower is the viscosity grade, the lower is the temperature at which the oil can flow. Based upon the range of viscosity, the oil falls in at the temperature. The oil is graded as SAE viscosity grade 20, 30, 40, 50 or 60. Higher the viscosity, the higher is the SAE grade. These oils are suitable where the temperature ranges in use are not very wide. That means the stationary systems like lawn mower engines, industrial application engines, etc., where we don't move much range. The range of temperature between daytime and nighttime is very small, and between weather conditions is also very small. In those conditions, these single grade oils are used. Then we are going to see multi-grade oils. These oils are suitable for wide temperature range. Example, as in India, the summer and winter temperature range is very high. In summer we go up to 50 degrees centigrade, whereas in winter we go as below as minus degree, some minus 5, minus 6 degrees centigrade. So in these cases we use multigrade oils. To make multigrade oils, we mix different additives called viscosity index improvers. These are known as all season oils. Present day engine oils are multigrade oils, or that means multi viscosity. Low viscosity in winter and high viscosity in summer. The SI designation for multigrade oils includes two viscosity grades. For example, here you see SI 10W30 means this 10W means what? 10W indicates the relative flow ability, whereas the 30 indicates the relative resistance to film breakdown. It the designation system is like this in this figure. A 10W 30 weight oil will flow easily like a 10W oil when starting a cold engine, whereas it will act as a thicker oil like 30 weight when the engine warms up to operating temperature. Thus, it will provide adequate film strength, that is thickness, for the engine at full operating temperature range. These are some of the real life examples of oils that are available in market. Then we are going to the next system of designating lubricating oils, that is API ratings. The full form of API is American Petroleum Institute. The API ratings indicate lubricating oil quality and performance. The gasoline engine oils are rated such as SA, SB, SC, SD, like this. The first letter stands for service and means that the oil for gasoline engines. S stands for gasoline engines. The second letter indicates the oil's rating. The oils with SA designations are for the mildest condition. The other designation like SB, SC, etc. in order of increasing severity of service conditions. For diesel engine, lubricating oils is subdivided into 3 classes ranging from the least to the most severe service, that is DG, DM and DS. These correspond to the diesel good, diesel medium and diesel severe respectively. These two symbols are stamped on the can of the lubricating oils. Every oil classified by the API bears a standardized mark on its container as shown. The left side mark shows the API service rating at the top. API service rating at the top. The SAE rating in the middle, and the oil's fuel efficiency attributes at the bottom. The fuel efficiency attributes indicate that the oil provides a improvement in fuel efficiency and above a certain level. The right side mark as a starburst mark also put on the container of lubricating oil. This is the starburst mark that is put on the container of the lubricating oils. One questions always arise: what is 2T and 4T lubricants? The answer is 2T oils are lubricants used for two-stroke engines like mopeds, scooters. We mix it in the petrol. Whereas 40 oils are lubricants used for four-stroke engines. These are not mixed with the petrol. The 40 oils are separately fed into the engine. So guys, I hope you have understood the designation system for different engine oils. If any doubt arises, please do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.